Okay, today we've got my old EOS Rebel SL1 and I have all the screws out. But basically what happened was I took it snowboarding and I just threw it in the bag, and the screen is fixed. So I wound up breaking the screen on this. So I've since ordered the replacement part, which was 70 bucks. This is about a $250 camera. It's not super expensive, but so I've removed all the screws around to unplug the circuit board. I've removed the back. But I have one troublesome screw up here that I can't quite get out. Okay, I've removed the plastic around the bad screw and I'm trying to get it out, but I don't know. Just a little bugger. Oh, there it goes. Now that I got that bad screw out, we can put the new back in. We just have to plug in this one ribbon and we should be good to go. I have a couple of the screws in, but before I get too crazy here and screw everything back in, I'm going to put the battery back in and double check this. Oh shit, I forgot to plug it in. Okay. So now that I've got the ribbon cable plugged in, this is fully connected. We're going to test it with the battery now. This might not work, but... Oh, got a red light. That's a good sign. Booyah! Oh, it works. Look at that. Nice. Alright, let's put all the screws in now. Okay. That was the last screw. Just gonna put the rubber cover on, wherever the fuck that went. Test it out. Perfect. Works great. This is always one of my favorite cameras. It's so small, easy to palm, and as you can see, it's got mud on it from all the festivals I've taken it to.